Yep. You got it, boss.
Jumpy? Are you scared? Well, okay. Soon as we're gonna leave, we're gonna let you out. Stop! Do some actions. Okay. Jumpy. Okay, this is your cue. Ooh. He actually jumps. Oh, he's moving. 오빠 얘 움직여. He's trying to climb. He's trying to climb. Oh, he failed. Oh. Mommy! Mommy! He's trying to get away from the camera too. He's trying to get away from the camera too. And try to get getting out. At the same time.
너 개구리 좋아하잖아. 너 개구리 엑스퍼트 아니야?
Can you water the plant for me? I'll help you when you ever need help. Mom? Because, can you water the plants for me? Because I want to sit here because I'm tired and I want to watch the frog, what actions he do. I called your phone for you and thank you so I can remember what actions he do. Look, he have a cross it while climbing and jumping at the same time, right?
네 이름 뭐라고 쟤야?
Jumpy. Why? Because he's good at jumping. Frogs usually good at jumping, so I named him Jumpy.
걔가 지은 거야?
응. Jumpy. 점프를 잘하니까.
자, 너는 이쪽으로 맡아. 오빠는 이쪽으로 맡아. 오케이? 물이 필요하면 빗물 써.
그 옆에가 깻잎 아니야?
I need a water. Me too. Hey, I'm first.
자,
상추 따는
상추
거
봐봐.
알려주세요.
일단은 큰 거 아직 다 자라지 않을 거 있지.
네.
올라가 여기 있지. 여기 부분.
네.
봐봐. 여기 이런 곳이 있잖아. 여기를 꼭 줘서 뜯어줘. 그걸 떼주고 나머지 작은 애들은 사라지니까 이렇게 놔두면 돼. 이렇게 해가지고 계속 뜯으면 돼. 오케이?
오케이.
구독과 좋아요 눌러주세요.
청년 농부세요? 어린이 농부세요?